Welcome to my channel Globe Time. Hope all friends are well. Now I started the discussion with the mode. Mode is one type of central tendency. Mode is the value of variate which occurs most frequently, that is for frequency is maximum. Mode is the value which has the maximum number of occurrence in a data series. That means the tens of items to be most heavily concentrated. According to Bowley, Professor Bowley, the value of graded quantity in a statistical group at which the numbers registered are most numerous is called the mode, or the position of greatest density or predominant value. Okay. Characteristics of mode. The mode, like the median, is a positive average and is not affected by extreme items. It is useful in those data series in which it is desirable to eliminate the effects of extreme variations. Next, mode is frequently very difficult to locate. Third, the mode possesses little significance unless there is a distinct central tendency. The mode is not susceptible to algebraic manipulation. Calculation method. In a simple data series, mode can be found by inspection only. Okay, it is very easy process to calculate mode in a simple data series. For example, in this series, data are 15, 17, 18, 22, 24, 25, 25, 25, 27, 28, 33. Okay, we know mode can be found by inspection only in the simple data series, and mode is the value, the maximum frequency in a data series is called mode. In this series, 25 occurs 3 times. Okay, so mode equal to 25. Next, in this series, data are 85, 95, 97, 100, 101, 102, 106, 112 and 115. In this series, there occurs no recurrence of values. Okay, no recurrence of values. So, there is no mode. No mode. Third series, data are 44, 16, 26, 44, 74, 34, 32, 34, 30, 47 and 40. Here 44 occurs 2 times and 34 and 34 occurs 2 times. Then here mode equal to 44 and 34. In this series we get 2 mode in a series. Okay. Two two modes in a series. In simple data series, we get two types of mode and one no mode. In a simple data series, three type of modal value. One, unimodal value, unimodal, one mode. Second, multimodal, two or three modes. And third, no modal or no mode. Okay. Now group distribution. From a group distribution, mode can be computed both mathematically and graphically. At first, mathematically. Here, find out mode from given data series. It is a group data series, so here population density and number of districts. Okay. Equation of mode equal to L plus Fm minus Fp by Fm minus Fp plus Fm minus Ff into I. Okay. Here Fm equal to modal class of frequency. Fp equal to frequency of the class just preceding the modal class. Ff frequency of the class just following or just succeeding the modal class. L equal to lower boundary of modal class and I equal to modal class interval. Okay. Now calculate. At first, we identify the modal class. Here, maximum value of frequency is modal class. Okay. Here 40 and preceding of frequency is 24 and just following 16 and lower boundary of modal class is 400.5. Okay, now put the value. L1 we know L1 plus Fm minus Fp Fm minus Fp plus Fm minus Ff into I. Okay. Here L1 equal to 400.5 and Fm minus Fp. Fm modal class of frequency 40 and preceding 24 by 40 minus 24 Fm minus Fp plus 40 minus 16 f m minus f f, okay, into 100, because class interval is 100. 400.5 to 500.5 difference to limit is 100. Okay, next calculate 400.5 plus 16 by 16 plus 24 into 100. 400.5 16 by 40 into 100. 400.5 0.4 16 by 40 equal to 0.4 into 100. 400.5 plus 40 equal to 400.5% per, or round figure 441 persons per square km. Okay. Now calculate graphically the same data series, class boundary and frequency, and at first draw a histogram. Okay, draw a histogram. X axis class boundary, persons per square km, and y axis frequency, number of district. Okay. Now at first identify the longest bar. Okay, longest bar. From the two ends of this longest bar, straight line are drawn on the opposite joining the points where the preceding and succeeding bar meet. Okay, longest bar and two straight line are joining on the opposite joining of point preceding and succeeding joining point. Okay, here two line first and then they are joining opposite position or opposite direction. Okay, and intersection of these two diagonals, if perpendicular, is dropped onto the horizontal part. Okay, okay, and the value of mode is interpreted in this position. From the mathematical process, we get the value 440.5. Okay. If we calculate, then we identify the exact value, because the line intersect 400.5 to 500.5 between, intersect between 400.5 to 500.5. Okay. So this is the process, graphically calculate mode. Very easy process. Three types of measures: mean, median and mode. The measure of central tendencies are also related to one another. Okay, value can be expressed as minus mode equal to 3 into mean minus median. Okay. Complete the measure of central tendency, mean, median and mode. Today I ended here. Thank you.